This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site.
To reinforce and expand on what we covered in the last course, I want to share my personal warm-up routine with you. It's a routine that I like to work on mainly before long practice sessions. Depending on how long it's been since I last played and how warmed up I'm feeling in general, I'll dedicate anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes to this routine. To stretch it out a bit and make sure I'm really warmed up, I'll sometimes start off each exercise a bit slower, play each for a longer period of time, or add an extra round a little faster. Remember that we want to make sure we take some time to stretch before we get started and focus on executing clean and relaxed movements throughout the routine. So once you've taken a moment to get loose, let's start working with each hand individually. So with the metronome at a comfortable tempo, let's play open tone single strokes in each hand on each drum to get some blood flowing. This part of the routine can last anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes depending on how long it takes us to feel warmed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on playing the same exercise through a couple different subdivisions. We'll start with quarter notes, then eighth notes, and lastly 16ths, each for 4 bars apiece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move on to an exercise that's used quite often on congas to get warmed up and develop flexibility. With this exercise, we really want to be more focused on the motion than actually getting a sound out of the drum. So let's work on playing some palm tip strokes as a stretching exercise with one hand on each drum. 1, 2, 3, 4.